Operation Guide for Iwaya New Generation 550 Display Screen. The screen is divided into 8 modules. Instructions. Maintenance tutorial. Repair tutorial. Language selection. Timer. Voltage display. Fault detection. Instructions. It provides a detailed introduction. All steps for operating the machine. Every step, from refueling to the remote control, is clearly marked. The maintenance tutorial also provides detailed explanations for each step. In the maintenance tutorial, it covers the replacement instructions for every component. We also have precise route maps for your reference. Automatic fault detection for all components. For instance, pressing the emergency stop button now, the screen will immediately show the emergency stop button fault. We rotate the button to reset it. You can see the problem is solved. With this function, we can quickly locate and fix the problem. Touch here. We can see that the service life of the screen is 190 years. Tap the top right corner to view the voltage display. It shows the exact voltage. Charge promptly when voltage is below 20 volts. Tap here to switch languages. Supports Chinese and English. More languages will be supported in the future.